So do you understand about the hot car and the dog?
I understand that, and we were only in there for a half an hour.
Oh, a half hour. You want to get a fur coat on and sit in there for a half hour?
Why don't you go and mind your own business?
No, I'm an animal rescue.
I don't care what the hell you are.
Well, you're officially turned in.
Well,
Okay?
that's nice.
And on tape, I guess. Yes.
Good.
Yeah.
Here.
And I'm glad your dog survived you.
Can you get the leash so we can take her out?
Could you leave her home next time?
You want the leash over there? Right.
She's belligerent and ignorant. Hope the police come before she leaves, because they will give her a $138 ticket. Ooh, hot dog. Please take care of your animal.
You put Grandma's purse in there. Thank you. Come on. Go put the basket. Come on, baby.
It's only about 100 degrees out here, and she was in there for a half hour, so glad she survived.